business report. As hundreds of millions of dollars of donations pour into various charities for hurricane relief, the concern for transparency is being addressed by organizations such as NCB Foundation and its partnership with the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange. We learn more in this report.
We are joined by renowned businesswoman Thalia Lynn, OD, JP, LLD honors, BA honors. And, we can see from the recent natural disaster that giving to charities that are transparent is so critical. So, first of all, welcome, Ambassador Lynn.
Thank you.
Yes, and you are the ambassador for the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange.
That's correct.
All right, so the critical thing we want to ask for our news segment is, why is transparency in charitable giving so important?
Everybody wants to know that their money is being administered in a transparent and accountable way. In other words, every dollar that goes in, you have to tell them how that dollar is spent.
And the social stock exchange does that
Perfectly.
Wow.
Right? Everybody can be assured that they will make sure you give to an entity, it's going to that entity. Even if another entity needs it more, that's not going to happen.
Right. And so this transparency, the platform of the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange allows, if you are in the diaspora, if you are here at Jamaica, wherever you are, when you give, there's a report.
Correct. And this is why we're engaging the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange in our NCB Building a Better Jamaica matching funds.
And you're also the chairman of the NCB Foundation. So with these two organizations, just, as we wrap up this business segment, why are they worthy of your time?
Sorry?
Why are both the Social Stock Exchange and the NCB Foundation worthy of your time? Why do you care?
Oh, me?
Yes.
Well, because I like the work that NCB Foundation does. We've narrowed our scope to education, but we do have, when there's a national disaster, we have to, private sector, support that.
Yes.
But the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange, it helps us. If we're giving money to them, we know that the money is being spent the way it's supposed to be. It comes back to accountability, Denise.
Yes.
That's really what it is.
All right.
And so if I can collect money or help to raise money, and I know that money is safe, then of course it's less stress on me. I don't need any more stress in my life.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Ambassador Lynn.
Time now for the latest market updates from Denise Williams.
During trading for the period of July 31, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The following companies represent the volume leaders. Wigton Wind Farm Ordinary Limited shares with 11,141,625 units, representing 51.43% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Radio Jamaica Limited with 4,612,251 units, representing 21.29% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Carreras Limited with 1,032,201 units, representing 4.76% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on July 31st, 2021, registered a volume of 129,420 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at 876,590 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 23 cents. Massey Holdings was the volume leader, with 109,990 shares changing hands for a value of 395,926 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 39 cents, followed by JMMB Group Limited with a volume of 4,300 shares being traded for 4,765 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 25 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the regional stock markets, we turn to the Forex market. On July 31, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $58.2 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $68.9 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.53 and bought the US dollar for $155.50. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.03, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $2.65 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.55 and bought for $112.90. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $5.92, selling it for $201.57 and buying it for $195.65. For our credit report tip of the day, we once again put the spotlight on entrepreneurs looking for ways to maximize resources and grow business. And we also look at your credit score and credit report as an often overlooked asset. So here are 2 more tips to generate additional income. You can improve cash flow management. Use your credit to cover short-term expenses while waiting for receivables, helping to smooth out cash flow fluctuations and maintain operations. Also, you can invest in growth opportunities. With access to credit, you can invest in new equipment, technology, or marketing campaigns that can drive business growth and increase revenue. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.